Hi, today I will show you how to edit a game pass in Please Donate. Once we are in the game, start by selecting an empty booth. As you can see, we don't have any donation button here, so we need to leave the game. Step 1. Click the More button and select Create. Next, go to the Creator Hub in the upper left corner and click Dashboard. Then click the game icon here and select Dashboard again. Scroll down to Monetization and click Passes. Now click Create a Pass and enter a name for your pass. It can be anything like Please Donate. Click Create a Pass. Then select an icon for the game pass you just created. Next, click Dashboard, then go to Sales. Turn on the item for sales, enter the amount you want. Let's put 10 and save the changes. You should see pass updated successfully. Now return to the game, search for an empty booth and claim it. As you can see, we now have a 10 Robux donation button. You can also add a text to your stand. Let's change it to Please Donate. And that's it. If this helped you, please leave a like.